Hi, and welcome to Red Fox Education. This quiz is all about articles. You will see 10 sentences and then you can pick from A and the below. You have to decide which is the missing article. After you have decided, I will then show you the answer. Good luck and have fun. Number 1. The man was eating apple. Yes, the answer is Anne. Number 2. Bill has got new ball. Yes, the answer is A. Number 3. Sun is really bright today. Yes, the answer is the. Number 4. I will travel around world when I am older. Yes, the answer is the. Number 5. Jane wants to be astronaut. Yes, the answer is Anne. Number 6. She is tall lady. Yes, the answer is A. Number 7. What time did show finish? Yes, the answer is the. Number 8. May I have drink, please? Yes, the answer is A. Number 9. What is best time to come round? Yes, the answer is the. Number 10. I got to see octopus in the sea. Yes, the answer is Anne.